Hey kids. But I was just thinking, I really need to get some eggs to the store, but pizza could be good for dinner tonight. Oh, I love watching hockey on TV. Did you know that I drive race cars? Really, it's true. And I have dogs and goats, and my little boy was sick last week, but he's feeling really good now, and my grandma's so sweet. She makes the best cookies. Are you confused yet? Yeah, I bet you are. It's really important when you're talking to someone to stay on the same conversational topic for just a little bit at least. When somebody brings up something, it's good for you to interact with what they want to talk about and then make sure that you're staying focused. It's really confusing and challenging to talk to someone when they're all over the place. And you want to ask questions about what they talked about too. And when they said, what I say, 5 to 6 topics, you get lost and it's really confusing. So let's work on that today. Are you ready? Let's do it.
All right, guys, so your topic is household pets. What I want you to do is listen to the choices. They're going to be a way for you to answer and respond and be a part of the conversation. One of these topics does not maintain or stay on the topic, so listen carefully. Listen carefully. Decide which statement does not maintain or stay on topic. A. How many pets do you have? B. What is your favorite thing to do with your pet? C. Do you know how dog food is made? D. Does your dog do any tricks? Okay, so look at the choices very carefully. Decide which one is not about household pets. Okay, here's the answer. D. Do you know how dog food is made? Is that the choice that you made? We decided that this topic does not have to do with household pets. Let's talk about why now. The focus of this statement was actually dog food. We said, do you know how dog food is made? When you bring up dog food, you're not talking about the household pet. At that point, you're changing the topic to talk about how dog food is made. Though dogs eat and household pets may eat this kind of food, this is a brand new subject. Try to be careful. These are tricky. Here's another one. Your topic is art supplies. So you can see a lot of different pictures of art supplies here. But you have to make sure that you are actually talking about art supplies. Listen to the choices and decide which one does not belong. A. Get a water cup to rinse your brush out. B. Paper clips are hard to buy in bulk. C. Oil paints can smear on the canvas. D. The store up the street sells cheap paint sets. Make your choice, and then I will tell you the answer. You can pause the video. Okay. B. Paper clips are hard to buy in bulk. This is not a part of the topic. Let's look at the others. Get a water cup to rinse your brush out. The supply is the brush and a water cup. C. Oil paints can smear on the canvas. Both oil paints and canvas. The store up the street sells cheap paint sets. Now we're talking about where you can get this art supply. Paint supplies are definitely art supplies. So, great job with this one. Let's discuss why B is not a correct choice. Paper clips are not art supplies, unless you're talking about some sort of mixed media project, but they're not a traditional art supply. We've just talked about most people would consider a paperclip to be an office supply. We've discussed how buying them in bulk is expensive. So we didn't talk about art supplies. Let's try another one. I want to give you a new topic. Listen carefully, try your best. This topic is race cars. Remember, in order to stay on topic, you have to be talking about race cars, not moving or leading into another topic that you could be changing the subject. So let's give it a try. Jeff Gordon's race car is very fast. The pit crew fixes the race car quickly. I want my car to be faster than a race car. Race cars use different tires in the rain. Okay, have you made your choice? If not, I want you to pause the video and read each choice carefully. Decide which one is not about the topic. Okay, you're back. The answer, C, is incorrect. I want my car to be faster than a race car. Let's talk about why the other choices are good. Jeff Gordon's race car is very fast. Though we're talking about Jeff Gordon's race car, we are talking about a race car. The pit crew fixes the race car quickly. We're still maintaining how the race car gets fixed. Race cars use different tires in the rain. We're just talking about a part on the race car. Great job. Okay, so now talking about why you want your own car to be faster than a race car, you're talking about your car. You've now completely changed the topic. You may start talking about how your car is not fast enough, different parts and things related to your car, how you could fix your car to make it faster. So you've entirely changed this topic. Let's do another one. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Birthday party. So don't forget, continue to pick a topic that makes birthday party the subject or reason for why you're talking. Don't forget, choose the topic that does not stay on topic. We blow out birthday candles on our birthdays. I got a jacket for a gift. We celebrate the day someone was born on their birthday. We celebrate birthdays with a cake. So, take a look at each option and decide which one does not belong. Pause your video. Okay, you're back. Here's the answer. B, I got a jacket for a gift. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's talk about why the other choices are a good choice. We blow out candles on our birthdays. Great job. We're talking about birthdays. We celebrate the day someone was born on their birthday. This is why we have a birthday. We celebrate birthdays with a cake. Again, we're talking about something we do, just like blowing out candles. Okay, let's talk about why I got a jacket for a gift. This is not a good choice. You didn't say anything about birthdays. This could be a gift for anything. Maybe the jacket was a gift you got for Christmas. If you had said, I love the jacket I got on my birthday, that would have continued the topic. However, you're changing the topic to talk about your new jacket. Let's do one more together. Okay, the topic is volcanoes. Choose the answer that stays away from the topic and changes to become a new subject. Okay, let's look at the choices. A, the sun is as hot as a volcano. B, not all volcanoes are active. C, many volcanoes are full of lava. D, Mount Vesuvius is a well-known volcano. Okay, pause your video and read the choices out loud. Decide which one is not about volcanoes. Pause now. Okay, you're back. Here's the answer. A, the sun is as hot as a volcano. B, not all volcanoes are active. You're discussing the activity of volcanoes, so this is a good choice. C, many volcanoes are full of lava. You're talking about one of the parts of a volcano, so you're maintaining the topic. You'll be able to continue talking about volcanoes. D, Mount Vesuvius is a well-known volcano. Though it seems like you may be changing the subject, you're not, since you're continuing to talk about a specific volcano. But this still does stay with your topic of volcanoes. The answer A does not follow. Let's talk about why. This choice said, the sun is as hot as a volcano. You're actually talking about the sun. You're describing a feature of the sun or an adjective. It's great that you're using a volcano to compare the sun to. That gives us a good way we can learn and understand better. But you have changed the subject. We're now describing the sun. You guys did an awesome job today. Continue to practice these. Also, find other objects and come up with great ways to stay on topic and talk about that object. I know it's tough, but you can do it. Keep up the great work, kids. I had a great time studying and learning with you today. See you later. Have a good one.